Two powerhouse email platforms. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, GetResponse, the all-in-one email and digital marketing suite. And on the right, Campaign Monitor, beautiful, powerful email marketing for brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Quick look at the mind map. Here's every category we're covering today: pricing and plans, features and suite, automation and A/B testing, integrations, support and ease of use, and design and templates. You know what? It's a lot to unpack. So let's start with the first one. All right, let's kick off with pricing and plans. First up, GetResponse. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed. They offer a free plan, and you get a lot for the price. Their entry point is only $15 a month for up to 1,000 contacts. And remember, it's not just email. GetResponse bundles landing pages, automation, even webinars. But hey, those advanced features can bump up the price if you scale fast, so keep an eye out. Now, Campaign Monitor starts even cheaper, like $9 a month. But no free plan here. And as your email list grows, the price can creep up real quick. So for bang for your buck and options, I gotta give this round to GetResponse. Next up, features and suite. GetResponse basically packs everything but the kitchen sink: AI email builder, conversion funnels, webinars, SMS marketing, even paid ads, and a full-on website builder. If you want an all-in-one platform, you'll probably dig it. But, I mean, if you're just looking to send emails, it's almost too much. Now, Campaign Monitor is more focused. Robust email creation, personalization, advanced analytics, killer templates, and automation. But yeah, you're mostly in the email lane with fewer extra marketing tools. So, versatility? GetResponse takes it again. Automation and A/B testing. Let's talk about how nerdy you can get with your campaigns. With GetResponse, you get advanced journey automations with all the triggers and conditions. Plus, you can run A/B tests on up to 5 elements, like subject lines, content, and design. That's kind of wild. The only thing is, if you're new, the automation interface might be a bit intimidating. Meanwhile, Campaign Monitor keeps it simple: easy drip campaigns and sequences, and straightforward A/B tests. But you're pretty much limited to 2 things: subject or content. If you want more control, GetResponse is the winner. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the average ROI for email marketing is $36 for every $1 spent? Yeah, it's nuts. If you ever doubted investing time into email, the numbers don't lie. All right, on to integrations, which is seriously make or break if you use a lot of apps. So, GetResponse covers around 65 integrations, including CRM, CMS, e-commerce, and webinar tools. Nice, but you know what? Compared to big players, it's not crazy huge. And then there's Campaign Monitor, 107 plus integrations, and it smoothly links up with tons of platforms, especially if you're doing serious automation or advanced workflows. Heads up though, some integrations need third-party connectors, so watch for that. But honestly, for sheer ecosystem, Campaign Monitor takes this round. Support and ease of use. Let's talk about how much help you can get. GetResponse is kinda a lifesaver here. 24/7 live chat, email, phone if you're on a higher tier, even Slack. Their drag and drop builder is super intuitive and onboarding is fast. Now, Campaign Monitor's support is mostly business hours, and you'll need the premium plan for phone help. The help center is solid, and tutorials are good, but 24/7 chat? Nope. So if you want to chat at 2 a.m. after a campaign break, GetResponse wins. Design and templates. This is where things get pretty interesting. GetResponse offers plenty of mobile-friendly templates. There's a brand customizer too, although some of the styles can feel a bit basic, honestly. Campaign Monitor though, this is kind of their claim to fame. The templates are next-level beautiful, like designer grade. Super polished, tons of options. If you care about visuals, this is where Campaign Monitor really shines. So, quite clearly, this round goes to Campaign Monitor. Let's take a quick look at the radar chart. It shows how each platform stacks up across all our categories. You can literally see the strengths and weak spots at a glance. All right, so real talk. If you want all-in-one marketing with the best bang for your buck, and you love extra features like landing pages and webinars, GetResponse is going to be your pick. But if stunning email design, granular segmentation, and next-level integrations are more your vibe, and you're maybe building a more established brand, that's a win for Campaign Monitor. No single right answer, honestly. It's about what fits your business. Like what you saw today? Want more honest, side-by-side tool breakdowns? Make sure you follow for unbiased guides and smart tips on all things digital marketing.